my sugar plums, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I apologize because I know I told you that I was going to put that video up on Monday, but unfortunately I was still sick, so I wasn't able to do anything. So we're finally here and we're going to go ahead and show you the before and after pictures and video of the room makeover. I hope you like it, guys. I did my best. I really hope you like it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right now. I'm gonna be showing you a little clip of what the room looked like before. Now before, guys, like you can see, this is like a plain room. We had like a low the bed was against the window. We had like some gray blind, and we had like some like low curtain going from the bed and the window to just like around it. And then we had like the dresser against this wall right there, and the TV was on top of the dresser, and that's all that was in this room. It wasn't like anything at all. Now this is what we did. We built some furniture. You watched the video and many video of watching me build some furnitures and doing, you know, some little decor. So this is what the room looked like after. So what we did, first of all, we went and we put the bed in the center of the room. Like, it's a very small room, guys, but I wanted it to feel warm and cozy and inviting. So this is the little nightstand that you saw me build. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. We also made some beautiful hot glue wall decor. We added two long curtain on it, and as you can see, I added two-tone because some of the furnitures and accent that's on the wall and on the bed itself have like that goldish yellow and brownish color, so I wanted to match that, and I think it looked cute. We also added a long, very long lamp by the bedside, so just in case, you know, the person that's staying there don't want to get up and turn on the light, you can just have access to like something right next to it. Now this is a dresser that we went and changed, guys. You have seen what the dresser looked like before, and the bed, I also changed the bed, but I did not do a video for this because it was so simple. Basically it's a platform bed. What we did is just like I went around and put some foam at the bottom, and then I put like the same fabric that we did the headboard and, you know, the furniture, and then also at the very the foot of the bed we added like two trim of like golden rose gold bling wrap, and then a row of nail trim tack. So also, guys, those wall art that I did, those are hot glue wall art that I put with some crushed glass and some broken glass. We also have a video for this. I will be adding it sometimes next week. I'm still editing for that video as well. Now the little box that you see on the wall is just because I have something there it's part of the house that we cannot remove, so I had to put something to cover it to make it more, you know, eyes pleasing. And then also, guys, you saw me building that TV stand with cardboard. All I did was added some, you know, little decor on top of it, like that little candle holder. I also have a video coming up showing you how I build those candle holder and the little frame that I'm going to be showing you. This video also is coming up, so we went and build, you know, and make those little decor, and also added a little, you know, like a little electrical candle in it, just in, you know, if the person staying there want to have a little mood and stuff, so, you know, something like this. So I also did that, and also put like a little flower vase there. This one I didn't do it. I bought it. But also this one I also made. So for this one and the little other candle holder and also the little picture frame that I'm gonna be showing you, this is gonna be just part of one video that it's coming up soon, so make sure you keep watch for it, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified on all the new upload that we made. And you also saw me made the dresser. This is the dresser, and like I mentioned before, also, guys, I wanted to make sure that, you know, but different people have like different tastes. Like some people like to be in the dark, some people like to, you know, have light coming through the room. So me, when I'm in a room, if I'm not doing anything, I like it to be pitch black. So I make sure that the curtain that I bought, that when you close it, it's gonna make the room like very dark. So this is with the curtain open, you can see we have a very big window in that room, so the light come through really really nicely. So this is what it look like with the light, natural light coming through. I also put a little coffee, epoxy coffee coaster that I made, and I also have a video for this one. So just in case, you know, when the person is like want to like have a drink, you can have like something to put it there. Also, this little book, it's a folded book that I made. I had it for a while. All I did was cover it with some rose gold bling wrap, and also added some little flower sticker on top of the window. Also made like this clock, you saw me made it before. I made everything in the room, guys, basically. Also, the chandelier this chandelier that's around the light, I had this before. I don't have a video for it, but if you're interested in seeing how I made it, I can go ahead and make another one for you guys. Just let me know if you're interested in seeing that. I had it before, so all I did was add some decor on top of it, so to make it look pretty. And this is it, guys. Like I mentioned before, it's a very small room. I wanted it to be the room to feel warm and cozy and inviting, so we did the best that we could. I really hope that you guys like the way I, you know, make over the room. So let me know in the comment below what do you think, if there is anything that you want me to do, any suggestion, anything like this, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you finish watching this video, guys, and I'll put some picture for you at the end. Hopefully I'll see you soon, guys. I've been feeling a little bit better, so watch out for the other video I'm gonna be putting out soon. They're already coming, you know, they're in the editing process. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch the video. And again, guys, if you haven't done so, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to be notified on all my new upload, like, comment, and share this video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so very much for being so patient, and I love you, I love you, I love you guys. So as always, be blessed and stay blessed. I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah.